Industry 4 News regularly visits international trade shows to bring our viewers the latest updates on the technologies and developments on Industry 4.0. In this report, experts from market-leading firms talk about their products and solutions.
Hello everyone, my name is Dean Donnelly, business lead here at Molex, Hannover Fair. Just going to say a few words with regard to our strategy as it relates to Industry 4.0. We've defined a next generation platform. It's MIAS 4.0, Molex Industrial Solutions. And basically what that platform stands for is a group of technologies that are developed, engineering services around the core areas of Industry 4.0, IIoT, integrated safety, integrated security, and all of the different pieces that are part of Industry 4.0 and bringing those together. We've developed those engineering services and we start to put them together now to show proof of concept as it relates to some of those technologies and as they get integrated. We're showing some next generation proof of concept as it relates to IO-Link safety technology, for example, emerging in the marketplace. We also put in place some of our concepts as it relates to a proof of concept, and so what you see here is a small robot cell, and that robot cell is being managed by a single module that's managing all the logic and all of the different control functions. And our goal here at Molex is to work to provide solutions that define an end-to-end, enterprise to sensor, and all of the engineering services pieces that go together that can be combined to create solutions and products.
At the Hannover Fair 2018 has a smart factory where Pilz products are intelligently networked and offer automation, safety and security for the automation of the future, for the smart factory. Pilz offers connectivity and modularization in the automation with a smart factory, and in future we will be working on safety 4.0, modularity and connectivity.
Actus is a Munich-based startup company. We're 2 years old, a little over 20 people, and our mission is to make factory software simple. So we leverage technologies like cloud computing, an edge-based offline mode, and connected IoT equipment to make factory solutions very, very easy with low complexity. So we want to avoid very complex IT projects that take a long time, like the usual outdated enterprise IT. We want to make production management and worker assistance very feasible and very quick, basically. Our main customers are in continental Europe and in the UK, have a lot of manual labor inside their factories, typically in the machine building field, injection molding, for instance, metalworking, glass manufacturer.
So here in Hall 6, Siemens Film Software is presenting examples of our digital enterprise suite that enables our customers to integrate and digitalize their business processes. One example in the background you see here is a perfect example of a digital twin, where we are showcasing the direct interaction in between a real machine and the digital model. So what you see on the right screen over there, the digital model is being driven by the real PLC in this machine. So from our point of view, that's what we're showcasing here to give an example of what a digital twin means to Siemens in terms of efficiency, time to market. So another good example of an innovation we show to our customers here at Hannover Fair is this Bugatti rear wing, a vehicle aerodynamics control system in the background. With this example, you see the latest innovations in 3D printing. So a very lightweight, generative design for bionic components. On the right side, so on the left side you see the traditional assembly like it is built into the car today. On the right side, this is what comes out of NX, the one and only integrated solution for additive manufacturing, where you can cover every step of the manufacturing process from the beginning of the first design through simulation and the post-processing on the machine. That is all covered in NX, and this gives a perfect example how 3D printing technology and the values 3D printing technology can bring today.
We are here on our booth on Hannover show on the company SICK. We SICK are a company for sensors. We have a lot of sensors and we are the base for the Industry 4.0 applications. In the Industry 4.0 you know all the informations which are handled in cloud applications coming from some sensors. And therefore we think that the sensor is essential to make Industry 4.0 possible. Our sensors, we call us sensor intelligence, have a little bit more than only being a sensor. They have intelligence inside which helps to make out of data information so that we can have application knowledge inside of our sensors. So our sensors have, and if you can look here around, our sensors are steering machines, which is needed to make a machine work, but our sensors in parallel also gives information what the sensors have into the cloud to make applications out of it which are beyond driving the machine itself. And that's our mission in Industry 4.0 to say, hey, sensors can help to make Industry 4.0 available.
My name is Simon Bayer, Head of Marketing for B&R in Germany, and I will walk you around our booth, show you the newest innovation of B&R. So follow me. We have one highlight here in Hanover. It's a long stator linear motor system, SuperTrack, which is a transport system with synchronized robots and high precise shuttles with a maximum payload of about 10 kilogram and an accuracy of plus minus 10 micrometers. It is used for transportation goods, for handling tasks, and is an adaptive machine. You can expand the oval up to 50 meters, and this one is the big brother of our LLM system, which is called Actus Track. I will show you over there. Our Actus Track system consists of, as you can see here, a track made of 4 segments, and that gives you a full design flexibility where you can have geometries as you need them in your machine. And the biggest innovation of the Actus Track I can show you here is the fully electronic diverter. That means each shuttle can be merged and split as you need them, fully electronical. This means with an electromagnetic force you can put it on the one or the other track. This is unique on the market. There's no other system that has an electronic diverter, and this gives you the opportunity to have machines with huge degrees of freedom in the design. Our highlight here on the booth at B&R is the Actus Track Geo layout, which is a 6x3 meters demonstrator, where you can impressively see how flexible Actus Track can be designed. The shuttles here run up to 4 meters per second with a max acceleration of 5G, and each shuttle can carry about 2 kilogram of payload. As you can see, this track is with a lot of sub-tracks with service lines, and to demonstrate what is possible in machines of the future. The main applications are in the food and beverage, packaging and product handling industry. So everywhere where small light products need to be transported fast and efficiently and independently. So for example, for quality reasons, you can measure a good, if it's bad, if it's failed through the quality check, you can sort it out just by using the electronic diverter. The machine can be adaptive, so if there's a bottleneck station, for example, one handling station is slower than the others, then you can just double and parallelize this station to double the speed of the machine. This gives the machine builders, who are our focus group for Actus Track, the possibility to design completely new machine concepts. And this is the highlight of our Hannover Fair booth here at B&R Industrial Automation. Thank you.
This is the digital factory. Actually, we are here at the T-Systems booth. We are presenting smart planning, smart production, smart logistics. And here's an example for everything that's related to digitization, which is the digital factory. We're showing this as an example for what is possible today. We've taken an old, or let's say an old machinery, a steam machine, that is equipped with sensors that are detecting the water tank, pressure on the cylinder, heat, and so on and so on. We're producing electricity with this, and we're collecting about 3.5 million data records per day by these sensors. This data is then displayed here on the screen in our monitoring center, where we are able, via smart monitoring, to detect anomalies in the factory and do predictive maintenance. So to avoid outages in the production. So Industry 4.0 in general is the future. It's digitization. Every process in the future will be digitized, but there will be no digitization without collecting data. So everything starts actually with Internet of Things, where I'm collecting data, which then can be used to plan and install my production, make it more efficient, and then even do logistics. So Industry 4.0, this becomes a standard.
Okay, my name is Uwe Vogt. I'm a member of the board of Aukotech. We are a German company, over 30 years in the market, and we're offering engineering tools. The specialty of our platform engineering base is that the data are in the center. So usually when we talk about ECAD or CAD systems, the drawing is in the center. So these systems are supporting the people by doing the documentation and drawing stuff. Our platform is addressing the data-driven approach. So the data model of a plant or a machine or a mobile device is in the center. So that's the reason why we say Industry 4.0 is our topic. We invited this tool, I think, around 2000. At this time, nobody was talking about Industry 4.0, but we had this already in mind. Today, we have thousands of customers which are using engineering base, and these customers are understood the meaning of data. So one important customer, for example, is Claudius Peters, a German company, and they told us engineering base taught us the meaning of data new.
Profibus and Profinet International, Industry 4 is a very important topic for us. For Industry 4 application, I think it is very important to get data to be used to, and for creating new business models with Industry 4, it's very important to get the data out of your machines, out of your plants. And this is why we work in Profibus and Profinet International to build information models and create a seamless connectivity from your machine up to the cloud using Profibus, Profinet and OPC UA.